Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn the story of Thirsty Crow. So let's start. So to draw the crow, we need a paper, pencil, and of course we need an eraser also. Okay, we will also use color pencils to color the crow. So we'll do step by step. In our first step, we will draw only this much. Our next step is to show the beak, show the eye, show a curve here now, another curve here, and another curve here. Okay, then show the curves here, and we'll show the wings, feathers. Next step is show the curve till here, then show the curve here, one more line here, eye, one line below the eye, show this line here, little broken, okay? Then show here. And inside this picture, there is water. But it is so deep that our crow's neck is not going inside. But this crow was very, very thirsty. So he thought, what should I do so that I get the water? So he started dropping some stones. He brought some stones from nearby, and because of this, the water level became so high so that he was able to drink. So now this is the picture. This is our crow, crow's head. A thirsty crow flew around a village in search of water. He looked for it near and far, but he failed to find water anywhere. After hours and hours of tirelessly searching, he finally found some water in a pitcher. This is the pitcher. However, the water level was too low, and his beak, this is the beak, couldn't reach the water. He tried to push the pitcher low, this way, that way, down, but the vessel was very big and very heavy for him. Now the crow was very disappointed. He was extremely tired and he was very thirsty. Then suddenly he thought, okay, let me search for water somewhere else. This is not going to work. But suddenly an idea came to him. He saw some pebbles lying around. Some pebbles were lying around. So he thought, what if I pull one pebble with the help of my beak and put them in the pitcher? Let me try that. अब उसने क्या करा, क्रो को प्यास तो बहुत ज्यादा लग रही थी. वो क्या करता बेचारा, उसने एक एक पेबल अपनी बीक में भरा और उसके बाद उसने यहाँ डालने शुरू करे. He started putting them in the pitcher. Just when he put first pebble, he dropped first pebble in the pitcher. He saw the water level is rising. पहला पेबल जैसे ही उसने डाला ना, उसको लगा अरे घड़े में तो पानी का वॉल्यूम बढ़ रहा है, ये तो ऊपर आता जा रहा है. बस फिर क्या था, उसको तो अच्छा सा आइडिया हो गया. He collected pebble and dropped it into the vessel. Then another pebble and dropped into the vessel. Then another pebble and dropped into the vessel. He kept repeating this process until the water level has risen to a level where he can drink. See, तो एक एक करके सारे पेबल इसमें डालता गया और फिर एक लेवल आया जब पानी इतना ऊंचा हो गया और फिर उसकी पीक से उसने पानी पी लिया और फिर वो अपने घर खुशी खुशी चला गया. The crow drank the water from the brim and flew home happy and satisfied. So what we learn from this story? Never give up. This story is an inspirational story which tells us that never give up. Try till last minute, you try, maybe you will get success. At least work hard to get the success and use your brain, think intelligently, you will ultimately get the success. So this is the moral of our story today, and with this I will take leave. I hope you like the story, children. Do you like it? Let's finish the class here. Thank you for liking, subscribing and sharing the information about my YouTube channel. Dhanyavad. Namaste. Bye-bye.